For writing today, we are responding to what we read in our reading assignment. So make sure you've done that assignment first. Our two books that we read are The Snowy Day by Ezra Jack Keats and Snowy Weather Days by Katie Marisco. So you are going to be writing complete sentences about what you noticed, so something that you found interesting as you read, in either both books or one of the books. A sentence starter can be, I notice. Remember, when you have the word I by itself, so that means the letter I by itself as a word, you need to always have it capitalized. Make sure that you have a capital at the beginning of your sentence and a period at the end. Then you are writing about something that you wondered, a question that you had before, during, or after your reading. A sentence starter for that is, I wonder. At the end of that sentence, make sure you have a question mark. The last thing you're writing about is what connection you made to the book as you read. A sentence starter for that is, this book reminds me of. Make sure to have a capital at the beginning and a period at the end. When you've read all your writing, made sure that it's your best, then make sure to press the X and the turn in button.